Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make grilled paneer tikka, which will be very delicious, just like restaurant style. But before starting with today's recipe, I want to share with you all my experience with this amazing new brand, which is Country Delight. However, Country Delight has a wide range of products which are pure and hygienic and free from any adulteration. Their buffalo milk is one such product which I am regularly using now. And as I stay in Delhi, it's important for me to ensure the purity of the product which my family is consuming every day. And now I will pour a packet of buffalo milk into a glass. You know, in a survey conducted amongst 45,000 people, 2 in every 3 households in Delhi NCR think that the milk they regularly consume is not pure. And now I'm going to boil 1 liter of buffalo milk, and here you can see malai or cream, which shows how thick and pure the milk is. And here I would like to share with all my viewers that Country Delight delivers 100% pure cow milk and buffalo milk directly from the farms without any middleman, and fresh milk reaches your doorstep within just 24 to 40 hours of milking. Also, to make sure every product you get has been fully tested for purity and freshness. Wow, isn't that great? Their milk is rich, thick and creamy and tastes good as well. One thing I can assure you that their milk is definitely better than the other milk brands. So guys, what are you waiting for? You can easily place the order for your pure milk via the Country Delight app. So switch to Country Delight and live a better life. And today in my recipe, I'm going to use paneer from Country Delight, which has got a soft texture and tastes good as it is made from pure cow milk. And for this recipe, I'll be using 180 grams of paneer, which is in the packet. And now we need to cut the paneer block or cottage cheese lengthwise and then into medium portion like this. You can see how soft the texture is. So cutting of the paneer into medium cubes is done, and now we need to prepare the marination batter. To prepare the tandoori marination batter, you will need curd or dahi. Here also I'll be using Country Delight's dahi, which has a rich and creamy texture and tastes delicious. I'll be adding around 3 tablespoons of dahi in a mixing bowl. Then goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of besan or gram flour to bind the marination together, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, a pinch of turmeric powder, the juice of half a lemon, and around half teaspoon of mustard oil. Now mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined. And our tandoori marination batter to make paneer tikkas is ready. Now add the paneer cubes into the batter. And with spoon we will coat the paneer cubes really well with the batter so that they are coated well from all the sides. Alright. And now to give a smoky flavor, we will place a steel bowl inside and place a burnt charcoal into it. Now add few drops of oil over the burnt charcoal. And then immediately cover with a lid, and we will let this rest for at least half an hour. After half an hour, remove the lid as well as the steel bowl containing the charcoal. Next, take some wooden skewers. You can also use steel ones. Grease them with some oil. Now pierce the marinated paneer cubes through the skewer. You can arrange 3 to 4 paneer cubes in one skewer. And in this way I will arrange the remaining skewers. So arranging of the paneer cubes is done, and now we need to grill our paneer tikkas. For that, heat a grill pan and drizzle few drops of oil and a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely. Now brush the butter on all the sides of the pan, and when the pan is hot enough, place the paneer cubes arranged in skewers coated with the flavorful tandoori marination batter. Keep the flame on medium. After about 1 minute, we'll flip the skewers so that the paneer cubes are grilled well from all the sides. Keep on flipping the skewers in between so that all the sides of the paneer cubes are grilled properly. So these are done now, and our grilled paneer tikkas are now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our restaurant style grilled paneer tikkas infused with a smoky tandoori flavor. This is a very quick and delicious starter recipe, good for any parties. I'll garnish with few onion rings sprinkled with tandoori masala powder and lemon slices to complete the dish. So friends, do try this interesting recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.